So you want to get into real estate investing, but you've got zero experience. You've maybe watched a few TikToks, saw a YouTuber flexing his passive income life and thought, hey, I want to sip lattes in Bali while tenants pay my mortgage too. Well, slow down, rookie. Before you end up buying a haunted duplex with a leaky roof and a family of raccoons, let's break this down step by step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners in 2025 can start investing in real estate with no experience. We're talking strategies, tools, mistakes to avoid, and yes, how to build wealth without living on instant noodles for the next decade. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share 3 rookie-proof strategies you can start with today. Okay, first question. Why even bother with real estate in 2025? We've got crypto, AI startups, people selling pictures of monkeys for millions. Why real estate? Simple. People always need a place to live. Property values historically go up over time. Real estate creates cash flow appreciation and tax benefits. It's like a financial triple cheeseburger. And here's the kicker. CPM on YouTube for real estate content is insanely high. Translation? Even YouTubers who just talk about real estate are making bank. Imagine what actual investors can do. Let's be real. As a beginner, you're going to feel overwhelmed. You'll watch 12 different gurus on YouTube and get 13 different opinions. Some will say, leverage debt, buy 10 houses. Others will scream, debt is evil, pay cash. Here's my advice. Ignore the noise. Start with education, not transactions. And remember, it's okay not to know everything. So how do you start with zero experience? Step 1, learn the language of real estate. Cash flow, cap rate, ROI appreciation, house hacking. If these terms sound like alien words to you, don't panic. You don't need an MBA. You just need to understand the basics. The million-dollar beginner question, how much money do I need to start? Short answer, not as much as you think. With FHA loans, you can put down as little as 3.5%. You can partner with someone who has capital. You can even start with house hacking, renting out part of your own place. The myth is that you need to be rich to start real estate. Wrong. All right, let's talk strategy. Here are 3 beginner-friendly ways to invest in 2025. House hacking, buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent out the other. Boom, our tenant pays your mortgage. Rental properties. Start small, a single-family home. Don't jump into a 20-unit building unless you enjoy stress, plumbing disasters, and unpaid rent. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Think of these like real estate stocks. Super beginner. Friendly. You don't own the building, but you own shares in it. Great for people who want to dip their toes before buying. Now, here's where beginners blow up their wallets. Top mistakes to avoid. Falling in love with a property, this isn't Tinder. Underestimating hidden costs. Hello, $7,000 roof leak. Going solo. You need a team. Agent, lender, inspector, contractor. Thinking it's easy money. Real estate is not get rich quick. It's get rich smart. In 2025, beginners have an unfair advantage. Technology. Apps like Zillow and Redfin to find deals, Bigger Pockets to learn and network, Rentometer to check rental rates, ChatGPT to crunch numbers and analyze deals. You have more tools than investors had 20 years ago. Use them. Start with education. Learn the language. Don't need millions to start, just strategy. Avoid rookie mistakes. Use tech to your advantage. And remember, real estate investing is not about how fast you start, it's about how long you stay in the game. So if you want financial freedom, passive income, and maybe even that dream home, start learning, start small, and stay consistent. If this video helped you, hit like, smash that subscribe button, and drop in the comments. What's the #1 thing holding you back from investing in real estate? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.